Another day, another English lesson. Passive infinitives. Have you ever seen a sentence where the verb looks like this? To be plus past participle? That's the passive infinitive. It helps us focus on what happens to someone or to something rather than who does the action. This form is common in English when we want to be more formal, more indirect, or simply don't know who the subject is. Let's take a closer look at how it works. What is the passive infinitive? The passive infinitive is formed with to be plus the past participle of a verb. Here are a few examples. To be given, to be seen, to be chosen, and to be helped. This structure puts the focus on the action itself or the receiver of the action, not the person doing it. How do we use the passive infinitive? After certain verbs and expressions. Some verbs and phrases are often followed by the passive infinitive when the object receives the action. Examples. She hopes to be selected for the team. She wants someone to choose her. He deserves to be rewarded. Someone should reward him. Some common verbs and adjectives that use the passive infinitive include want, hope, need, deserve, be eager, be afraid, and be likely when the object is receiving the action. 2. In the passive voice. After reporting verbs. In formal English, the passive infinitive often appears with reporting verbs when we don't name the subject directly. Examples. The suspect is expected to be released soon. People expect this will happen. The document is believed to be stolen. Someone thinks this is the case. This is especially common with verbs like say, believe, expect, report, think, consider, and know. 3. After modal-like structures. We can also use the passive infinitive with expressions like have to, ought to, or be going to when the focus is on the action done to someone or something. Examples. The room has to be cleaned. Someone needs to clean it. That book ought to be read by everyone. Everyone should read it. Now watch and complete the sentences with the passive infinitive of the verb in parentheses. One. She wants to be chosen by the teacher. 2. This form needs to be submitted today. 3. He deserves to be rewarded for his honesty. 4. These dogs are expected to be sold quickly. 5. That painting is said to be painted by a famous artist. 6. These boxes have to be loaded when the truck arrives. 7. The patient hopes to be discharged tomorrow. 8. The building is likely to be demolished next year. 9. Everyone ought to be informed about the no smoking policy. Ten. The emails are believed to be sent by a hacker. Thank you for watching this Worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.